So first you got to make sure the phone is off, and then you use that center power button, the circle one, and then the down button to get it into the restore mode. You start by holding them both down at the same time, and once the screen lights up, let go of the circle for a second and put your finger back on, and keep holding it until it goes into the menu. Then you just use the up and down button and then the center button to select. You hit yes, and then yes again. And that's it. It'll automatically erase everything and start it up like a new phone. You're gonna lose all your data, of course, and any passwords that were on there. That's all.